Good evening, good evening, good evening to you. Good evening, good evening, good evening to you. Hello kids, how are you? All are good? Yes? Then today's class we are going to learn a beautiful concept. Do you know? What is that? Don't know? Let me explain to you. Okay. First of all, you have to tell me. I will ask you some questions to you. Okay. Listen and see properly. See here. What is this? Yes, this is a hand. What is this? This is a hand. How many hands are there? Tell me. Here one hand and here other hand. Correct? So, now I am showing you my hand. Okay? Here you have to count the numbers. It means in today's class we are going to learn about numbers. Okay? See here. Numbers. Numbers. For example, now this is my hand. Okay. In this, you have to count the numbers with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Now next hand. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Completed. Both hands I completed. Do you? No? Yes. Try your hands now. First of all, put your one hand and start counting. 1. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed. Next other beautiful hand. This one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yes. The beautiful two hands together. Again. The third time. I do not say. My beautiful kids. Cutest, prettiest kids. You have to be answered. Okay, see, I'll show you my two hands now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Magic. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got it? No. Yes. Don't worry. I will explain you how to count the numbers. Before counting the numbers, let us learn how to write the numbers or how to trace the numbers. So, before starting this class, there is a activity for you. First, I'll do some actions. Same thing you have to be done. Okay. For that, what you have to be done? Tell me. Yes, you have to stand with me. Okay. I'll sing a song. There is a beautiful action song for you. So you have to be sung with me. First of all, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up stick. 7, 8, keep them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen. Okay, yes, very good. Now, enough activity. We'll go to the class. Okay, which concept or which topic we are going to learn? There is a beautiful concept for you, that is numbers. Okay. First of all, in today's class we will learn 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, only 4 concepts we are going to learn. First number is 1. See here, first number is 1. Okay, before tracing or before teaching the numbers, I would like to remind or remember the things what we have learned in the last class. Which one? Standing line. And what is this? Yeah, this is a sleeping line, and other one slanting line. How many slanting lines we have learned? Yes, very good. 2 slanting lines, one direction slanting line, and this one other direction slanting line, and the other one curve, one right curve and another one left curve. And what we have learned? Zigzag, zigzag, zig. Remember? No, zigzag, zigzag. Yes. Up, see here, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So, these strokes in English we have learned, but it is very useful for you and for me to trace or to write the numbers. Okay. So, first one, say with me, standing line, sleeping line, slanting lines, different kinds of curves, and zigzag lines, or up and down, up and down. So, first one here, how to write one? Very easy. If you feel difficulty to write one, it's very easy method. You have to trace one. One means standing line. See here, this is 1. Okay. And if you feel difficulty to write number 1, here you have to draw the 2 dots, and here you have to join. So, here this is one method, first method, and second one, see here how one dot on the first line and other dot in the other line. So, after drawing the 2 dots, you have to join the dots here. When you join the dots, it makes number 1. Okay. Again, for example, if one there is, here one dot you have written, it comes like this or it comes somewhat. So, no problem, because the thing we have to be kept in our mind, if it doesn't make straight, so that you can draw 3 dots. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many dots? 3 dots. See here. 1, 2, 3. After drawing 3 dots, you have to draw like this. After drawing 3 dots, you have to join like this. After, what do you get? What do you get? This is second method. Second method, which one? Number 1. And the third one, again you people can't write. You are feeling so difficulty to write, means no need to. There is a plan which is helpful to you. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many dots we have drawn here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here to here, straight line. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here to here, straight. It is number 1. Third method. Still, some of my cute child, if you feel difficulty to write, last fourth method there is. After 3 what comes? Number 4. Fourth method to write 1 is like this. Take the ruler and keep here straight one and here another line. So this is the fourth method which can be written. Okay. How many methods we have written here? First method, join the 2 dots, and the second method joining the 3, and the third joining the 5 dots, and the last one, fourth one, is very easier for you to draw to write the number 1 is with the help of ruler. Okay, do you understand? Yes, very good. Now tell me here, 1 we have written. Now the next one I would like to show you the objects which comes under number 1. Clear? For example, now see, what is this? This is a pen. Okay, how many pens are there? Only 1 pen. Am I right? Yes. How many are there? More pens with me? See, in this hand only 1 pen I have. Am I having any other pens? No. Very good. Okay. For example, here tell me how many rulers are there or scale. What is this? It is a ruler. Very good. How many rulers are there? 1 or 2? No. Yes, only 1 ruler. I have a ruler, or I have 1 ruler. I don't have more than that 1. Okay. Next one, see this. Which one? What is this? This is a duster. Whenever we write, if you feel uncomfortable or if you write any wrong, we have to be erased with the help of which one? This. So that how many dusters do we have? Yes, only 1 duster we are having. Correct? Okay. Then another one I'll show you here. What is this? Everyone knows about this. Correct? It is a cell phone or mobile. Everyone, yeah, each child likes this. Correct? Yeah, we people are very expert to operate this. Am I right? Aren't you? Yes, very good. We are very eager to type or which one to play or to hear music. Everything we will do through the help of mobile. So how many mobiles are there with me? See, in one hand I have a cell phone and other hand I have a duster. See, so how many mobiles are there in my hand? Tell me, how many? Yes, I have only 1 mobile in my hand. So here you have understood regarding the 1 number. Okay, now what you have to be done? Yeah, I will give you one homework that you have to be written in your book. What is that? Don't know. Why are you worrying when I am here? So, the homework for you, you have to write number 1 in your square book. In your square book. Do you know how it looks square book? Don't know? I'll show you. Okay. You tell to your papa or mama to bring you a square book. Always I have told you, for numbers or for any maths concept, you have to buy a square book. Okay. So, number 1. Now, I hope my kids, everyone is active in the classroom, and I hope you people have understood very well. Yeah.
Namaste, I am Pramila Kondana. In today's Abbaka AKG class, we are here in English classroom. Dear parents, today we are facing many challenges regarding the education of our children. The age group of 3 to 6 years are facing more problem because it is not possible to give them online classes too. Keeping this in mind, we have started AKG class here in Abbaka channel, and in today's class I am going to engage your kids with few rhymes, activities, dance, and to improve their concentration and imagination. Let us also engage our children with some imagination activities and meditation too. This will really help them to know their environment, understand and learn the language. Dear parents, I request you to help your kids to engage themselves in these activities. Now, dear kids, how are you all? Okay, let us start the class today. Now, you have to follow some instructions given here. Let us start the class with a meditation, and also I am going to instruct you with a small story that you have to imagine while closing your eyes. Okay, are you all ready? Please close your eyes. Okay, I hope that all my kids are closing your eyes now. You have closed the eyes. Okay, now I am going to tell you a small story that you have to imagine yourself. You imagine that you are in a garden, your home garden, that is in your backyard, and you see a line of ants. You know ant. The ant lives in your backyard, and you know ants are very united group. They go together to have their lunch. Now it is their lunch time. You have your lunch, isn't it? Similarly, ants want to have their lunch now. So you imagine that all the ants are going in a line to get their lunch. Oh, the ants found some food there, and See, all the ants are passing food from one to another, and they are walking in a line, a queue. That means they follow discipline, and they are going to their home to collect the food. I think you're all imagining the story now. You're seeing the ants going in a line, and they all entered the ant hill, their house, their home, and now they are going to have their lunch together. Now you can imagine this picture yourself, and you might have heard the words and you remember few words too, which I told now. Okay, now you can open your eyes. Very good. I hope that you all imagine the story of the ant, and you might have learned discipline what the ant is following. They share food, they walk in a line, they help each other. Isn't it? Yes. Very good, children. Now we can start the class. In today's class, I am going to teach you the phonics song. I have already told you that I will teach you a song. Okay? See here, the letters A to Z, alphabets of English. There are 26 letters from A to Z, but today I will teach you the phonic sounds which we use while reading the words and sentences. That is how we should learn reading English letters. Okay, are you all ready? Let's start the phonic song. Abacada. Sing with me. Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Did you understand, children? Yes, done. Let's sing once again now. Okay, sing with me. Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Shall we sing little faster? Yes. Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Yes, good, very good. Is it possible for you to sing now yourself? Do you want me to sing once again? Yes, once again. For the last time, I will sing you the phonic song Abacada for you. Yes, you can stand and sing by dancing also. Okay? Say, Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Abacada, afaga, haijaka, lamana, opaka, rasata, avava, ksayaza. Very good.
So, the next concept we will move. Second one, number 2. What? Number 2. See here. Here curve, curve. After that, one, which line? Tell me. Which line? What we have learnt in last class? Sleeping line. Here, din 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 din, curve, and yes, sleeping line. Again here, curve and sleeping line. Again here, curve and sleeping line. Okay, it's very easy method for you, because previous class only we have written the two faces of curves, correct? Yes. Now here one dot, here one dot, and here one dot. 3 dots I have drawn here, so that here, here to here, and here. Okay. Okay, let me make another type. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many dots? 4 dots. Here to here you have to join, and here over. If you feel difficulty to write like this, there is other method which will help to you. Is which one? Dots. How many dots we have done now? How many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, here to here, here to here, and here. Okay. But here, when you put like a slight slanting line, it doesn't look nice. Again, you can put more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, how many dots? 5 dots. See here, here to here, 1, 2, 3, see, 2. Completed. This is the third method we can use. And again I will teach you with the help of how many dots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here to here, here to here, then here. Here to here and here. It comes like this. When our beautiful kids, after writing different ways, you will be very thorough to write the number 2 at the end, without tracing, without putting a dots. You have to write number 2 like this. Fastly, see, like this, fastly, very fastly. You are eligible to write. Okay. And here 1 and 2 we have learnt in today's class. Now I will draw some pictures to you. You have to tell me how many numbers are there. Okay. For example, here I'll draw you some pictures. Look at me. Don't go anywhere. I will be waiting for you. Okay. Are you there? Yes, very good. See here. Now, What shall I draw? Tell me. Okay. I will draw a flower. Okay. Flower I'll draw. See. This is a flower. Clear? And here again I'll draw. See here. These are flowers. Next another one I'll write here. I'll draw like this. Another one, butterfly ball. Ball. And next one, what shall I write? What shall I draw? Another one. Here. Okay. And here, yes, 3, yes, 3. Okay. This is a very easy method to draw a dog. Okay. Here, like this, here like this, again like this. Okay. And another one I'll draw. What shall I draw now? Tell me. Flower over, then ball over, then dogs over. Then what to draw? Tell me. Yes, very good. The next we are going to draw the beautiful butterfly. Okay. How many of you like the butterfly? Yes. You people are liking the butterfly a lot, right? Yes. See, butterfly, and here butterfly. Okay, now here again, here, and 1 minute. Here I will erase one time and this one topic, and here again I will write yes, 3, yes, 3, here to here, like this, like this. Okay. Now, how many pictures I have drawn? Yes, first one. What is this? This is a flower. Very good. Now, count the numbers here. First one. How many flowers are there? How many flowers are there here? 1. Only 1. Are there any flower nearby? No, only 1 flower. Very good. So, here only 1 flower. Okay. Here in the second line, how many flowers are there? Tell me. You have to count the numbers. 1, flower 1, and here 2. Very good. Here how many flowers are there? 2 flowers are there. Correct? 1 flower here and another flower is here. Next one. What is there? What is there? Tin, tin, tin. Yeah. Here in the second section, balls are there. Okay. Shall we play the balls? Yes? Yes. Tell me how many balls are there here? Yes. Only one ball. It is one. And how many balls are there here? Count with me. Okay, don't go anywhere. Keep your mobile phones. Yes, very good. 1 and 2. 1 ball and 2 balls. Okay, very good. And again, see here. What is this? This is a dog. Buck, buck, boo, boo. Dog, correct? How many dogs are there here? Only one dog. Very good. One dog. In the second, down, show me how many dogs are there. Yes, 2 dogs are there. Am I right? How many? 2 dogs. 1 and 1. How many? 2 dogs are there. Correct? Yes. And here. See here. What are these? These are butterflies. Correct? Yes. How many butterflies are there? Come with me. Count here. How many? 1 butterfly. Are there any more? No. Very good. 1. Next. Come to the next. Here, how many butterflies are there? 1, 2. Okay. Here, 2 butterflies are there. Have you understood? Number 1 and number 2. Okay, no? Here I am showing you how many fingers now? Only 1 finger. If I show another finger, what it makes? It makes 1, 2. Correct? Yes. Yes. So, in today's class, we have learned numbers orally and writing form. For that, we have written only number 1 and 2 in today's class. For the next class, when I come to meet you, you people should show me the 2 numbers, the precious and the beautiful numbers 1 and 2. You have to tell to your parents to bring the square book, and in that one page, first page, you have to write 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 continuously, and the next page you have to be used for number 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 till end. Okay, do you understand? Yes, you write neatly, beautifully with the help of your parents. If you do not understand, don't worry. For the next class, I will teach you again how to write 1 and 2. Okay? Yes. Then we'll see in the next class. Okay? Bye-bye.